Hey social science students, I'm here to give you a tutorial on how to use mapchart.net to create a special purpose map. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to create a special purpose map that focuses on the regions of Asia. So the first thing I'm going to do is find Asia at the top, click there, and then click countries. Once I have this map loaded, I am going to change some of my options. I'm going to make the background color white or transparent. Whatever you choose, doesn't matter. You can also make it like a blue ocean-like color. I'm also going to toggle this tab that shows countries' names. I'm then going to click on Advanced, and this gives me a few options. Look in this background here, and you can see the thickness of the borders change. I can make it the thickest or the thinnest. I like thick. I also want to make my default countries white, and I like the countries' names to be black. I like there to be some contrast. Once I click close, I have my whole Asia map here. For the purpose of this special purpose map, I want to highlight the different regions of East, Southeast, and South Asia. So I'm going to zoom my map in. I'm going to do that by clicking zoom mode. From here, I can just move my mouse in and then get a zoomed up mode of Asia. I can see that I have parts of East Asia left out, so I'm just going to zoom a little bit out until I get Indonesia in there. Once I'm happy with this map, I'm going to click Exit Zoom. That's really important because that allows me to scroll up and down. If I was still in the zoom mode, every time I moved my mouse, it would toggle in and out of Asia. From here, I can start to color in my countries. I'm going to select a color, and I have all of these options here. I also have patterns that I can have, and I can change the color of the pattern. This is really effective if you are going to print something black and white. Since I'm going to have this map in a Google Slides presentation, I'm going to choose colors. I'm then going to click my East Asian countries a specific color. I'm going to change my color for my South Asian countries, and then my East Asian countries, and then my Southeast Asian countries. Once I have this done, I'm going to make sure that I have a key. This is incredibly important because this is showing the regions of Asia. I'm going to type in regions of Asia. I'm then going to look at my color and then create the key. Once I have the key created, I have a few legend options. Right now, under Legends options, my position is custom. So this allows me to move the key wherever I want. I can also resize it. However, if I want to have my key white, I can change it to white. I can also make it 2 columns. I can also change the font. The most important thing is to make sure that your key is complete, it's accurate, and it's visible. If I'm happy with this map, I'm going to want to scroll down and click Download Map. Once I have downloaded the map, I can open it and see, oh, perfect, this map looks amazing. And then I can import this in any type of document I want. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks, social science students.